Here I have OPPO F9 Pro, and let me show you how to enter here the engineer mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this code *#pound *3646633 #pound**. As you can see, engineer mode just pops up. Here you can use the telephony section and you can use the following info and test. You can swipe to the connectivity right here. And here you can also use Bluetooth, FM receiver, Wi-Fi. You can swipe again and select hardware testing to test audio, camera, sensors. You can swipe left again, and here you've got location settings. Here you can tap log and debugging right here. And also you may find the other stuff right here. That's it. This is engineer mode of OPPO. If you would like to quit it, let's use the back key. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.